And we are tracking showers and thunderstorms working across central Texas as we continue through this morning. Now, the majority of this activity has shifted northeast to Waco, Temple, Killeen, and that's where the big flooding threat is this morning. We did have a flash flood warning due to overnight rain for parts of Lampasas, Hamilton, Mills, and Coryell County, but thankfully that has been allowed to expire. And we continue with this flash flood warning that is in place here for Hill, Limestone, and Navarre County. You see that heavy rain that's now working into Navarre and Freestone County. Still dealing with moderate rain falling down in parts of Limestone Hill and Navarre County. And our 25 Storm Wrangler is on Highway 84, likely to the east of Prairie Hill now, driving through some of this rain. You can see the view of that as we are sending it into Limestone County to watch for some of that flooding so we can relay back to you. Now, I will say this, that some emergency managers in Navarre County had reported, and I know that live bug says Waco, but I'm telling you that's in Limestone County, have reported that there was some flooding near the Dawson area, which makes sense because there's been a lot of rain here in the last 3 hours there. Let's go back to the radar and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here's the heavy rain. There's where the Wrangler is. Again, starting to enter some of that heavier rain. This is the rain over the last hour, and you can see some 2 to 3 inch totals that have fallen in the last hour, but roll it back the last 3 hours. So this includes all the way back to around 3 a.m. And look at this very heavy rain here in southern Navarre County. That's where we've heard that we had some flooding over the roadways there from emergency managers in Navarre County. So if your travels take you that way, know that that may still be an issue. I have not heard reports of water over the road in McLennan County. However, there will likely be some ponding on the roadways as you're heading out in Waco this morning. Rain is tapering off, but the road's still very wet, so give yourself some extra time in your commute. Same in Bell County, and we have more showers continuing to feed into Limestone County, though I do expect that threat to continue to push off to the northeast a little bit more, and we may see a little bit of a lull in the rain, at least for the middle of the morning. Storm chances do return, though. In fact, we've got multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms on the way. This flood watch now goes through Thursday evening. I know it says Thursday morning, but Thursday evening, that flood watch going through due to the potential for more rounds of thunderstorms. The future track is struggling to see what the atmosphere is doing right now, but look what happens as we get into the afternoon. More thunderstorms possible, and while it won't rain all the time or all day or everywhere all day, you're going to get these passing rounds of showers and thunderstorms, and when they come through, the atmosphere is just juiced up to produce quite a bit of moisture, a lot of rainfall with this. So we will watch each one of those storms as they come through. Heavy rain will be possible along with that threat of flooding, and that's going to keep temperatures down, likely in the 80s the next couple of days. Again, it's because this pesky upper low won't move, but it will start to move as we head into the weekend. Saturday, those rain chances go down. Sunday, too. Father's Day weekend, yeah, we may still have some showers and thunderstorms, but it won't be widespread like what we're dealing with here. And the potential rainfall amounts over the next 7 days could really add up. We still have the potential to add on some areas getting more than 3 inches of rain. 80% chance of storms today, 70% tomorrow, 40% Friday. I've got 20% chances by Father's Day Sunday, and then lesser chances going into next week with highs in the 90s.
Hey, make sure to tune in to the NBA Finals tonight. The series is tied 1-1. But will OKC build on Sunday's big win?